watch the people now. We don't want to kill ourselves. That's it. There it is, guys. Our first good sun.
Plug in my phone.
Mesocyclone. Oh my God. Yeah, I might have to call 911. Or call Jennifer first. That's it. I got it on video. There's a tornado, honey God, beautiful. There it is, Foreman. We got it. There's a tornado. Right out of the meso. God, we caught it. Oh, we're going right in front of it. Okay, dude, we're almost gonna believe this. We're getting closer.
Jenny,
watch the truck.
We got it, a tornado. We got it. We got it, Jenny.
It's going down. Dude,
coming down.
It's going down.
We got it.
We got it live. It's an F. It could be an F1.
I swear to God, F1.
That's tornado. Ain't no bullshit.
Bye.
Keep going.
Bye.
That someone's already on it. Oh, is that someone or is that some idiot?
Hey!
No, that's a
tornado right ahead.
Tornado!
Tornado!
Woo!
Okay.
All right, now keep going, dude. Closer to better. Closer to better.
Can't kill ourselves, remember.
I know, because that fucker is close.
Right now. Hey, no swearing.
Yeah.
No more swearing.
I know.
Weather channel is rotating. You can see it.
Oh, yeah.
See it rotating. We got it. We got our shit. Got our shit.
I got to zoom on it.
Got our shit, man. Finally did it.
There it is, beautiful tower. There's the okay, it's starting to die again, but it can do it again. Now it's starting again.
It will do it again.
And we're getting closer to it.
Spin it down. Spin it down right now.
Is that what that guy's doing?
Spin it down right now.
I got it on video.
It's coming down, Brad.
We got it. There it is! More clear cut!
Hold the wheel quick.
There it is. I think closer to better. Dude, it might go to the ground, might get a perfectly beautiful white tornado.
That'll be blurry.
Two of them!
50 blurry. Get this fucking thing down. It's coming down, Brad.
I got it.
It's coming down.
Gotta get a little closer. Once we get closer, we might even get a beautiful shot like the Southern Plain. That's it. Oh, dude, I'm focused right on it. There it is, tornado.
Coming down, folks. Me and Brad finally got one. No swearing.
Yep.
We don't need the trees now fucking it up. 911.
It's north of St. Peter.
Figure out where we are.
We are almost St. Peter. It's close to St. Peter. Say that. That town is already...
Roll up your window.
Hey, watch your thing here. And label us Brad, Allen, Bad Skies, give us our name of our storm chasing team.
Yeah, excuse me, I am not a weather spotter, but I'm a professional storm chaser. Right now we're chasing a mesocyclone that seems to be going over St. Peter. Okay. Find out where we are exactly. Where it is.
We're on Highway 5 west of St. Peter.
Highway 5 west of St. Peter.
There it goes again. There she goes.
Highway 5 west of St. Peter. My name is Alan Patra. I'm a professional storm chaser. We're on the back of a mesocyclone right now. It seems to be dropping a tornado about halfway down to the ground.
You gotta say my name too. Come on.
We're west of St. Peter on County Road.
There she goes.
Coming down right now. Okay. My adrenaline's going, dude. My adrenaline's going. We gotta keep.
Hey, Brad Gustafson, Alan Patra.
Yeah, my name is Alan Patra.
And Brad Gustafson.
I'm a storm chaser. Right now we're on the southwest corner of this thunderstorm that's moving over St. Peter.
Bad skies.
It's dropping a wall cloud and a tornado's coming down right now. Thank you.
Good, the road's turning. We got it.
Here it is. Brad, grab the fucking wheel. I gotta get this, Brad. Grab the wheel, Brad.
Oh, beautiful.
Grab the wheel, Brad.
I got it. I got the tornado on video.
We got it, Brad.
Beautiful.
I got it, Brad.
I gotta get a photo too, because I'm getting it.
We gotta get out of the fucking...
Okay.
No, we gotta get it. What did Bailey say?
Dude, it's right
what
there.
What did he say, Brad?
Yeah, I know what he said. Let's do it.
Wait, hold up a little bit. Out of the fucking...
We got it.
Bailey said...
That's beautiful.
Here. There it is, Brad.
There it is, guys. Live. Tornado outside of St. Peter. Out of a mesocyclone.
Hello? Tornado, Jenny. I got it.
We got it all.
Let's go. Get in, Brad. Let's go.
Dude, I got the cone. It was a perfect fucking cone.